Two automatic bus laying systems can look almost identical. One is still running flawlessly after 15 years. The other starts breaking down after only 3. So what's the difference? It's not the logo. It's what you can't see. At first glance, most automatic bus wash systems appear to do the same job. They have large brushes, powerful motors, spray nozzles, and a steel frame. For many buyers, that makes the purchasing decision seem simple. Compare prices, compare specifications, and choose the cheaper option. But experienced fleet operators know that the real difference isn't visible on day one. It's revealed after thousands of wash cycles. Every time a machine starts, stops, moves its brushes, or sprays water, every component is placed under stress. Over months and years, those small stresses determine whether the system continues performing smoothly or begins requiring constant repairs. High-quality structural steel resists corrosion. Reliable motors operate consistently under heavy workloads. Precision-engineered moving parts reduce unnecessary wear. A well-designed control system protects the equipment instead of pushing it beyond its limits. These details may seem insignificant during a sales presentation, but they become critical once the machine is operating every day. Downtime doesn't just mean repairing equipment. It means vehicles waiting in line, delayed schedules, additional labor costs, and frustrated operators. That's why professional fleet managers evaluate more than just the purchase price. They look at durability, maintenance requirements, spare parts availability, technical support, and total lifetime operating cost. At Go&Go, we believe an automatic wash system should be viewed as a long-term operational investment, not simply another piece of equipment.